Recycling of polypropylene battery material. The recycling company receives the batteries from collection services. In the first step of recycling, the batteries are crushed and most of the lead and acid are separated out. The crushed material is then fed into the Neuer-Herbold buffer silo. The bottom of this buffer silo is equipped with a double screw discharge system, which continually discharges the material to the subsequent scraper conveyor. The Neuer-Herbold scraper conveyor transports the material to the first separation unit. The floating material is transported to a trough screw conveyor which it then transports to the feed hopper of the Neuer-Herbold wash granulator type SM800/1600. The Neuer-Herbold flotation tank separates the lower density floating material from the higher density material, which sinks and is then discharged from the tank via screw conveyor. The wash granulator cuts the material down into the required flake size. By injecting water into the grinding chamber of the wash granulator, the material is not only cut down, but it is also washed, therefore reducing wear of the granulator. In the next step, the washed PP regrind is then flushed into the Neuer-Herbold friction washers type FW560/5000. These high-performance centrifugal washers are designed as a second washing step, and again water is injected. The contaminated water is discharged from the friction washers through a screen and is then transported to the water recycling system. The PP regrind is then transported by trough screw conveyors to the second flotation tank for final separation of parts with density of more than 1 gram per cubic centimetre. Sunk material is again discharged by a screw conveyor. Next, the floating material, now clean PP flakes, is discharged into the Neuer-Herbold mechanical dryer type TM1006. This high-speed centrifuge is designed for high throughput capacity and also for maximum reduction of humidity. The dried and cleaned material is then pneumatically conveyed to the Neuer-Herbold counter airflow zigzag shifter, where the finest and lightest particles are removed from the regrind. At the end of the line, the resulting material is dry, clean, and free of the finest particles. The line is designed for an average capacity of 2.5 tons per hour.